Welcome to All Papers Material YouTube channel. Today I provide 10th class December term 1 examination master science paper. Our first question is, when two or more substances, elements or compounds combine to form a single compound, the reaction is called. The correct option is B, combination reaction. Second question, zinc plus copper sulfate is give rise to zinc sulfate plus copper. This reaction is called the displacement reaction. Burning of coal, option A is correct, exothermic. Question 4. During a chemical reaction, when an element or compound loses hydrogen or gains oxygen, it is an example of oxidation reaction. Question 5 is, in chips packets, oxygen is removed. This gas is filled. The correct option is nitrogen. The first attempt to classify elements is group called the trade was given by. The correct option is A, Dubernius. Question 7. In the modern periodic table, there are dash groups and dash periods. Groups are 18 and the periods are 7. Correct option is C. In the modern periodic table, which statement true about metallic character of element is true? Correct option is option A. On going from top to bottom in a group, it increases. Ninth question. Among the following groups of elements, the atoms of which groups have one electron in their outermost shell? The correct option is B, lithium, sodium, potassium. Question number 10. No matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. The correct option is D, either plane or convex. Where should an object be placed in the image same size as object and the real? The correct option is A, at 2f. To read very small letters, or for the watchmaker to see very small part, he used convex lens. Correct option is B. Question number 13. A point before a spherical mirror where light rays from infinity meet or appear to meet after reflection from spherical mirror is called. Correct option is C, principal focus. Diameter of spherical lens is called its aperture. The part of human eye where image is formed is called retina. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about 24 cm. When white light sunlight is passed through a prism, it splits into a band of 7 colors. Which color is band least? The correct option is red. During eye donation of a dead person or donor, only this part of eye is transmitted to a blind person. This part is called option A, cornea. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. The parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination R, then the ratio of R and R dash is. The correct option is D. 20 question. International unit SI unit of electric current is option number C, ampere. When 3 resistors R1, R2, R3 are connected in series, then the combined resistance R is equal to option B. Among the following electric appliances, which appliance does not work on the principle of heating factor? Correct option is B, electric fan. Which of the following derivation is not correct according to Ohm's law? The correct option is A. The relative strength of magnetic field line is maximum at. The correct option is option number B, near the magnetic poles. Which of the following correctly describe the magnetic field along straight current carrying wire? 25th question. Which of the following correctly describe the magnetic field near long straight current carrying wire? The option number D. The magnetic field consists of concentric circles. Question number 26. The device used for producing electric current is called option number A. Generator. An electric motor works on the principles of the option number B. Fleming's left-hand rule. Magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid with electric current, option number D, is same at all the points. So the following depletes the ozone layer, option number C, chlorofluorocarbon. Here the following is a producer, mango. Here the following is an abiotic component of an ecosystem. The correct option D, water. If the following is not a fossil fuel, correct option is A, wood. If you have any doubt in this question, please comment, and thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share to your friends, and if you want the PDF of this, please join our Telegram channel or Thank you.